things, and I've never seen anything like this. And I have, as you've mentioned, been to Pakistan many times. I came first because of the generosity that the Pakistani people have shown the people of Afghanistan over the years, and as a host country. It's often the countries that don't have as much that give more than so many other countries. And now at this time we see it's the countries that cause less damage to the environment that are now bearing the brunt of the disaster and the pain and the death. I am absolutely with you in pushing the international community to do more. I feel like we say that often. We speak of aid appeals and relief and support, but this is something very, very different. I think this is a real wake-up call to the world about where we are at. The climate change is not only real, and it's not only coming, it's very much here. And even as somebody who's been a part of humanitarian aid for years, we often look at a crisis and we think of how to solve it, what we can do, what to rebuild, or how to help the children, or food. And now we're in a situation like this where it is, the needs are so great, and truly every effort is either a life or death for so many people. Every current effort, and I've seen the Army, I've been with the Army and with my colleagues at IRC, and I've seen those lives who were saved, but I've also seen those who, I've been speaking to people and thinking if enough aid doesn't come, they won't be here in the next few weeks. They won't make it. Too many children, so malnourished, and then even if they make it through these next months with the winter coming and the destruction of the crops and the hard reality, I'm overwhelmed, but I don't even feel it's fair to say that because I'm not living this. So I just simply try to speak out and help. I really can't imagine what it feels like to be there. I see the very thought out, beyond this, to not only the emergency, but what to do, and all that it's going to take. And I'm here as a friend to Pakistan and to the many warm friends and relationships I have here, and will continue to return. My heart is very, very much with people at this time.